Welcome to a brand new day in Uncle Biden's country. Welcome to a brand new day in Uncle Biden's country. Today I just decided to do a mini vlog, like a typical day in our life. So I'm with my elder sister. Say hi guys. So guys, meet my elder sister who happens to be a brand influencer and a celebrity chef. So as you see the flyers displayed on the screen for all of such services you might need, be it in Maryland, most especially in Dallas, just contact her and you'll be totally amazed. So guys, rush now and rush her for us, please. I think you guys must have, no, for those who watch my status, my WhatsApp status, you must have seen her already. It's my elder sister. So I'm currently with her. Since I'm on vacation, I've been moving from home to home to home, but I was spending some time now with my elder sister. So we just left the house. We're on our way for some grocery shopping because we want to do bulk cooking today. Then from there, we'll go service our car. It is due for servicing. And from there still, we'll head back home for cooking. So guys, just enjoy this mini vlog with us and have fun. See ya. So guys, this your vegetables, your jama, your huckleberry. What do you think? Watercress.
Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez no lo quería, no.
So what exactly? Okay, I'm just really remains the same. You have some sweet potato. Yeah, this is the same. Potato, sweet American. Yam, sweet Korean. Okay. Pumpkin.
Fueron errores que te marcan y cantarán a grito la canción. Qué pena.
So guys, we're on the beef section. Everything made super easy.
Quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar. Solo una oportunidad, luego me voy. Sería chimba demostrarte quién yo soy, bebé. Soñé que era esos días que tenía tu compañía. Desperté y no era como antes.
Next up, guys, we have to stop at the car servicing company. My sister needed to service her car. This was our next stop from the grocery store.
Estuvo en mi mente hacerte sufrir y en mis pesadillas dejarte ir. Yeah, yeah. Qué pena que esto se volvió una condena, pero eso no me frena. Que fueras
Guys, it's super cold. I want to get me a SIM card because I think I need one for local calls, internet and stuff.
Luego me voy. Sería chimba demostrarte quién yo soy, bebé.
You want to watch movies or
No, just phone calls and that's
And WhatsApp. As I said earlier, we'll be doing bulk cooking. My elder sister, the chef, asked me to do it like this. Who am I to argue? Obstacles of boiling green for watermelon. Oops. Better be sweet and well ripened. It's juicy and not that sweet. I'm tired, so I've prepped everything already, as you guys must have seen already, and I'm waiting on her to come and cook. She has some errands to run, so she's going to do them. Mom from now she'll be home, run up and cooking, and for the rest of the day I think I'll just edit, watch some movies. That will be it for today, guys. At least so I thought, guys, until a very good and old-time friend of mine stopped by and we had a brief outing before coming back home to finish cooking with Big Sis. So far, I'm really enjoying my vacation. USA, guys. USA.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This feels like a new beginning.
45 seconds.
Call from 610-291.
You just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh baby, how you
Fine lady. Fine lady, your body's on it.
leave us till tomorrow? So won't you let me trip with you? Leading out for you, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me?
Same one back home.
Up to one, I get over that.
Yeah.
Baby, see how much I spend on that stuff?
Yeah.
How much?
Let me explain my life. Okay. The kitchen smells heavenly. Heavenly. Rice is boiling. Who is coming to have dinner with us?
There's no one in
Chef.
How are you, baby? How are you, baby girl?
I'm good. Can't wait to dive in, but I'm starving. Starving. I could do alright.
oh yeah.